Wally! Is that hard work?
Yeah.
Daddy helped him a little bit.
My arms didn't work out.
Here's my chair. Wait, where's my chair? Here we are. Relax. Have an eye opener. Well, I'll check back in a little while, see how deep it is. I'll check back in a little while, see how deep it is, alright? What's the matter? Tough it out, man.
What about that little big thing you said we do?
What?
What about that one?
How was that, Paul? Nice? Refreshing?
My head was banging.
Oh, you got lucky, pal. You just made it.
Don't worry. I'm going up to there.
Careful. Oh! Okay, my feet are numb.
Yeah, my feet are numb.
Let's go back to our seat.
My feet are getting
going to give you a little tour of our unit here. We stayed for a couple of extra days, just for the fact that it's totally different than the ones we usually stay at. This way we get to take a look at it and remember exactly what it's like, and see if we ever want to stay here, or if we ever have one of these open or something. So this is the kitchen. You can see it's a nice, good sized eating kitchen. A little closet there, the garbage, some shelves in there, counters here, coffee pot, cabinets, stove, and your dishwasher. You have your little sliders to like a little front deck. So my van's out there. So our front doors over here on the side, so that's where we come in over here. This stuff, we're getting ready. We're getting our stuff packed up to get out of here. On this side, there's your refrigerator, microwave, more cabinets over there. And as you can see into the dining room. Dining room. Same kind of patio, basically, with the grill out there. Thing I don't like is they got little tiny AC unit. It's not working that good either. But it's noisy right out on the deck. And you got your chairs out front with nothing really in the back. There's another slider out there that goes to our bedroom. But it's very private back here. And then the rest of the living room. Love seat. A chair over there, your fireplace. TV, little radio, playing a little classic rock there. And you can see outside. There's another huge closet. The front door. More closet. Here. More closets in my house here. So here's a guest bath. It's a little messy. Oh yeah. A full tub and shower in there. A little bit different than the other one. A little bit bigger, I think. And guest room here with the ceiling fan and two nice windows. Get a nice view. There's your furniture. There's the clubhouse right there, the indoor pool, which the kids are getting their last swim now. And the racquetball and the gym over there in the back. Clubhouse. Actually, I can see Paul, they're running around in there. Let me see if I zoom in. If it'll work. Look, there's Ian in the pool house. Hi, Ian. Paulie just ran by. Or is that Matt? No, Paulie's in. That's Matt running. So funny. You look out the other window here. There's the playground. And the outdoor pool. And the van. I'll get clothes I left out there. And our little unit was right on the other side of the pool there. Alright, swing. Just one more room left. Now we're going away. You got utility closets, washer and dryer. Another closet. Then
What did he try to tell you about him?
master bedroom, king size bed.
Always very religious, and he was
Furnishing. Ceiling fan.
a name for himself.
You need it in here when that AC don't work that great.
Among the brothers, when he went to
Television, there, sliders go out to the backyard and patio. And the bathroom. Lighter color wood cabinets for the bathroom. Lighter tile. Stuff in. That's a jacuzzi tub, which we didn't get a chance to use. Oh, well, he ain't over yet.
comes to Afghanistan, and he was really, really, really light. And I said, what was he doing?
Right outside where I'm gonna sit down and relax, have a last goodbye cocktail and have my cigar this evening before we leave. Yeah, okay.